Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we have a Xiaomi Redmi Mi 9 on our video. We need to change the battery. This is my friend's phone, he gave it to me to repair. Alex. So yep, let's start. I already buy a new one, battery original, and first, as always, we need to turn off the phone, and then we need to hit carefully the back cover, as you see, this one. Be careful, don't hit it too much, because you can damage some flexes inside, because there must be a wireless charging flex. I will show you. So I come back when I hit it. So yes, I'm already hit it, and we must start carefully, very carefully, to try to take it out, not to damage anything there inside. You see, try to put the blade not so deep, because yeah. Nice. Okay, very carefully, try to do it properly, slow. Okay. Okay. Yep. As you see, here is nothing, and that's about what I was talking about, this wireless charging. Okay, so next we need to unscrew these screws. We have here 9, so let's start. Okay, I unscrew all those screws already, and we can try to take out the plastic that is covered the motherboard main. Okay, so yep, as you see, we need to disconnect the battery, and now I must to heat this old battery to take it out. I will come back when I finish. Hey, I'm come back. That was the hardest part for me, as always. I don't like to change batteries and to take it out as well. So yeah, we can take now a new one and try to install it. Okay, like this, and here is connector. I can try to turn it on if it works. Oh, no, better I will connect the charging cable and we will check. Okay, let me connect and we will see. Yes, it's working and it's charging 44%. Super. So okay, let's disconnect, and now we can put back the plastic cover on the motherboard, this one, and as well as always screw with the screws. Okay, I finish with the screws. As you see, everything in the place and working, so we can just glue the back cover on this place and it will be finished. For that I will use this glue. It's very good glue. You can glue the LCD with it. And covers as well. It's not the first time when I use it. Very nice glue. Especially for, not only for the mobile phones, as well at home. If you need something to glue, it will be perfect. Okay. Okay. Pop, 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 pop. Couple of it here. Okay. Now carefully put it here. Okay. And I use this one. It's fit perfectly and for dry out. Okay. That's it. So thank you for watching me, for being with me today. This video is short, so I guess it will help you when you will try to change the battery on your phone. So see you next time. Bye.